We're making fajitas tonight. Trust me, my meat is washed, hunty, okay? First you gonna do, because I'm using the sauce package, we're gonna get to that. We ain't there yet. Your meat gotta be clean, fresh, and put your butter at the pan so it won't stick, or whatever you use for a non-stick pan. But right now I have to use butter, okay? That's what I gotta do. But putting my fajita strips up in here and let it cook on both sides for a little bit, and then we get to the next steps. But first thing first. What's good, y'all? And welcome to Cooking with Feet. We about to cook some fajitas, some chicken fajitas my way. And the reason why them things ain't seasoned, because the seasoning pouch I'm about to use and show y'all that you need to go and try at Walmart and season it yourself. It's gonna be spicy, and especially the cheese sauce I'm gonna use is the jalapeno cheese sauce. And some of y'all, especially my A1 day ones, I already know what cheese sauce I'm going to be using. But today is your day. If you are new to this channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications on to all so you can be notified for the next video. So let's get to cooking. All right, my lighting kind of sucked, but it's time to flip it over. When they turn white like that at the bottom, you go ahead and flip it over, because a package just says to flip it over, cook it on each side for 5 minutes. But Fifi says we're going to cook it just enough to where it can break down or whatever. Because once you put the sauce and the packaging and all that in there, it's going to cook some more to make it all the way done. So technically, you're going to cook it not all the way done. And my lighting in here sucks. I need a ring light. Anyway, you flip these over and let it cook for 5 minutes. Or whenever your liking is, baby, okay? Some of y'all didn't guess it, but I guess you guessed it now. I am using the Taco Bell fajita season mix. 2 of these. We are using the tortilla, old El Paso tortilla sauce shell. And we are using on the border jalapeno queso. When I said this will taste good on some soft or hard tacos, or any type of tacos you make at the house, put the little bit of dip of this on there. You can get this at Walmart. Sometimes they be sold out at Walmart, but go ahead and try this jalapeno on the border queso on all your nachos. All right, let's get back to cooking. For a little tip, because I don't know exactly what the time I should take these out or whatever, or put the sauce in it, but I normally see this water bubbling and all that in the middle right there. I normally let that cook out. That's how you know when it's time to add your sauce. You're waiting on for that to cook down. All right, this is how you want it to look. It's okay to be brown, like a little brown at the bottom, but not all the way brown as you cook it, because we about to do the next process. But this is how you want it at first before you add in your veggies. I'm using 2 packs of these Taco Bell fajita packs, and they are so good. So I'm using 2 packs of these, like I said, and it's 1/3 per pack. So 1/3 cup of water per pound. So I got 2 pounds worth of chicken strips. So I'm using 2 packs, and I'm gonna add like what, 2/3 worth of water. Got my onions in here. You can cut it like this, however you want to cut them. And I got my bell pepper. For my assistance, thank you to my husband for cutting. Really, I wouldn't try not to say that. Thank you to my man, but thank you for cutting up the vegetables. So he's putting that in here. I'm gonna add my cup of water up here while he's doing that. Not cup of water, but you know what I said. Mix it around real quick. Get that good old seasoning. Distribute it to every last particles and good old juiciness, all right? And then you're gonna put a top on here and let it cook off for another, I say about another 5 to 10 minutes. Follow instructions on the paper, okay? But you know, tweak it as your own measure. You gotta tweak it sometimes. Now, in the beginning, you can also season your meat, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be extra strong if you like a lot of spicy seasoning. Cause this package have full flavor, like full force flavor. And you can break the meat like this to make more portions. Especially if you got multiple kids. I'm a mom of 5 with 2 sets of twins, a family of 7. And you know, 1 pack can do, or you can buy 2 packs of chicken strips and you can just break it up and it will stretch a long time. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this cook down and then put my top on it, and I'll show you how it looks after it's simmered down. It's smelling good. I wish I could smell. I wish I could be like a smell-a-thon phone. Smell-a-con phone, whatever it's called. Alright, this is what it's looking like. And it is looking like I want it to look. And it's about done too. Some people cook the onions a bit down, but that's how I like my onions and my bell pepper. You can add more vegetables to this if you want to, but I just do regular onion, green bell pepper. You can do any kind of color, however you want to do it. But I'm gonna let this cook the rest of the remainder 2 minutes, or literally about 5-6 minutes on low, and let it simmer into the food. And you can sprinkle some black pepper on top and call it a day. I went ahead and added some black pepper to it. But yeah. Plating time. The food is done. I'm so tired. I'm really cooking this late, but you just put it right here. You can have it however you toast your shells. Do what you do to make your pizzazz on your shells, or warm it up, you know, however you do it. Okay, so what I do is grab my little chicken meat concoction, put that right there in the middle. Let me get my cheese, drizzle some cheese on top of that baby right there. Then I'm gonna add this Taco Bell mild sauce on top of it. And that's how my kids like it. And you go ahead and fold it up like this. Bam. Quick and easy. All for $22. Less than $20, really, because if you already have onions and bell pepper in your refrigerator, $20 meal. Thank me later.
Like and subscribe, yeah. It's family time, yeah. Life as Felicia, Michelle, we kicking every time, yeah. We cooking it up, we running it up, we clean it up. But most important, we going up, and we never get stuck, yeah.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe.